the mirror. And we're gonna say that we starting off by cleaning it. And since I don't have anything else to clean it with, we're gonna be cleaning it with Absolute. It tastes like rubbing alcohol anyway. Just for all my dead artist homies. For the people that are painting their mirror, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this interior paint because, and I have acrylic paint, but I'm just choosing to use this because this is what I have. It's in black. And I know you're probably thinking you want your letters fat, so use a big paintbrush. But to have more control, we're going to use this size paintbrush because it's going to make it very clean and clear, okay? Let's get into the video. So if you're scared that this will get messed up by water or whatever the case might be, just make sure you Mod Podge over just the letters and not the entire mirror. If you want to, you could put a white base down, but that would make your colors really intensify. If I was painting something more in detail, like a person, a character, or just a landscape or something, I probably would do a base of white just to make my colors pop. But since I'm doing basic black words and it really doesn't matter how they look, the font is really freeform. I'm just doing it this way. And it's just a process of layering and layering until you get the fullness in the color and pigment that you want. So this is the process, and that's the first layer. You let it dry. You could use a blow dryer or something to do it, but I'm just letting the air dry, and it's doing a good job of just. So once this layer is done, here I am starting on the second layer, and I will tell you guys, don't start on the second level of words until you finish that first level completely, because you're going to rest your hand on that bottom part and you don't want wet letters or dragging over top of what you've already done. So stay on that first row and finish that first row out like so. And as you can see, it's pretty much easy, especially if you really aren't anal about the lettering and how to do a certain font. You just freehanding. It is actually easy. And you see me there showing you guys how I rest my hand on the glass like that and then painting it. So that's why you got to make sure that you don't put that second level. And I'm just enjoying the vibe, and I'm redoing my room to make it a more peaceful environment for me. I was a Maximus and I just cluttered everything in my room and I didn't care. So now what I'm doing is I'm making it more neutral, and I am fixing it to my liking. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm reminding myself what I am and whose I am. And yeah. This is something beautiful to look at every single day. And here I am starting the other part, finishing it off in the same way that I did the first layer. I'm doing this layer too. And if you mess up, guys, get you some Q-tips, put some alcohol of some sort and wipe it up and just start over. Or just wipe up your little boo-boo. We're going to let this layer dry. And yeah, we're getting it. I'm just going back and just perfecting. Now, to get those rounded ends, that's what I do. I press the end of the paintbrush to get those rounded looking ends, because that's the look that I was going for. This is the finished product. Tell me how you like it. I turned the light off because I felt like you could see it better, but I'm in love, guys. Tell me what you think.